Kaleido's a startup that's focused exclusively on this sort of problem of multi-party systems. So we're a specialist in the sort of blockchain space, and we focus on making this technology consumable for enterprise. So back at the beginning, we started with some of the problems which, as you pointed out, back then people were spending huge amounts of time on, like how do we get a network up and running? How do we get the right balance of decentralization and sovereignty, but and consistency to actually have everyone's got a blockchain node, right? What does that look like? What's the right balance of hosted and hybrid, etc. approaches to having a blockchain network up? And that's where we started. We launched on stage our public as a service offering with AWS there up on stage as we were the first managed service that they had, and continued to go on to partner with Microsoft as well, and provide as a service infrastructure. But immediately as soon as we'd done that, we actually started then building on top of that and building some of the services that were net new that didn't exist. One of the earliest services was how do you get transactions streaming onto a blockchain, how do you get events coming off, and then things like organization to organization, private encrypted data exchange, abstract messaging, large documents, building that sort of stack on top, and providing as a service a sort of solution stack for building enterprise applications.